Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're adding this Ribbon Marquee section to your store, and honestly, it's such a fun and eye-catching way to grab attention the moment someone lands on your homepage. This section is perfect for highlighting your collection names, sub-brands, or product lines in a diagonal ribbon style. And it also works great for showcasing trust signals like free shipping, customer counts, or return policies. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This will take you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we need to search for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that's going to make building your store so much easier. Open it and install it. The installation process is really simple, just like any other Shopify app. After the installation, go to the Explore Sections tab of this app and search for Ribbon. You'll only find one section with this name here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details about this section are listed right below. Feel free to read through them if you'd like. I've already purchased this section, so I'll close this and click on My Sections on the left side. This is where you'll only see the sections you've already purchased. Let me scroll down here, and here's the section. Now click on Customize and choose your favorite theme. After a second, the section has been installed successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer, and once it loads, simply click on Add Section, just like we would for any other section, and search for Ribbon. The section will be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. You can see it stopping right at the top, exactly like it was in the demo section. Now let's look at the left side. Under Ribbon Item Names, you'll see quite a few blocks here. Basically, these are all the text elements you're seeing on the ribbon, but we won't be touching these right now. On the right side, you can customize the overall look of these ribbons. For example, I'll change the text color to green here. You can go with whichever color you prefer. Now let's scroll down further, and here you can also change the color of these stars to green as well. I honestly just really like the color green. Now let's also change the color of the second ribbon to this one, and we'll do the same for the first ribbon too. And now here's this rotation option, which is actually quite important because this is where you decide the rotation direction of the ribbon. For example, I just changed its position here, but it ended up going a little too far down. Let's bring it back to its original spot, and just like this, there's a lot more you can customize here. I'd recommend trying it out yourself since I don't want to make this video too long. Now let's head over to the left side, and I'll select the first ribbon here. The text that says Sparkle Hood, I'll replace that with Subscribe. And this is exactly how you can change anything you'd like within this section. And that's really all there is to it. This small section can add so much personality and movement to your homepage in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to help.